Hello beautiful family, welcome back to the channel. Today I have this worldwide opportunity. Yes, I have this customer success manager and you can work from anywhere. The company is canonical.com. So go to their website canonical.com. You will find this customer success manager. The candidate will have all of this: flexible and good time management, passion for customer satisfaction, and so many more. What Canonical offer? They offer flexible working option, priority pass for travel and annual leave, and so many more. So let's see the responsibility for this customer success manager. You will do all of this: onboard new Canonical customer and introduce them to their product and support process, collaborate with sales and support in developing and delivering engagement plan that fulfill the customer's objective, assist sales in identify growth opportunity or renewal risk, serve as a customer advocate, internal and influence Canonical product, create campaign targeting multiple customer through digital touch point and creativity. So if you feel like you can work all of these, go ahead and apply. The company is canonical.com. Yes, that is the website. Let's see the second work from home opportunity worldwide. You can be a content writer on this website. A&M, you can see apply.workable.com. This is the website. Yes, they are hiring worldwide. You can work from anywhere actually to this company as well. The requirement: writing and editing, copywriting, image editing, search engine optimization, and basic HTML, Google analysis, and time management. All of that, guys. All right, so and they have the benefits and you can work from anywhere. So they cover insurance, full benefits for insurance are applied for full-time. If you are interested to apply to this position, be certain to introduce a link to your portfolio. This is important so that they will see the sample of your writing have not been edited by anyone else since they were published. Note that don't forget to proofread before submitting, check spelling, capitalization, and so many more. This is your chance to make your application stand out. We won't be able to respond individually to all applications, but if we feel you are strong matching, they will contact you. Okay, so if you see here on the location, they work remotely and they work on they work globally. Okay, as you can see, our team is spread out the globe. Our home base is in Florida, United States. The content writer must be available to overlap and work collaboratively with them. Here you have to work in these hours of the Florida time and US, yes, 9 to 11 a.m. Other than those hours, you can work schedule that suits your needs. So you have to be available to this, and it's only a few hours, guys. Okay, from 9 to 11 a.m. and then you can schedule at your own schedule. Let's say if you live in Africa, you can still work up and work with them these 2 hours, 3 hours, and then go to sleep, wake up, and continue with your work. So it's all about content writing. This is the website and I will link in the description box. So in case I forget, don't hesitate to remind me in the comments. Alright, so here we have another worldwide opportunity. We have SureSwipe Capital is hiring marketing growth manager. Alright, and you can work from anywhere as well. But this one, you have to have at least 5 years in growth marketing management. So if you are interested and you feel like you have all those years of experience, go ahead and apply. You can work from anywhere around the globe. All right, so the company is SureSwipe Capital. They have other openings actually. If you click here, you can see there is this one as well, product marketing manager. So you can still apply to this or either this as well. So going on to another worldwide opportunity I have today, we have vidIQ. They are hiring. Yes, they have been hiring actually. So this company actually is kind of always hiring, is to work with YouTubers, stuff like that. Customer support specialist remote. Yes, you can be helping you small YouTubers who use this service. This is a software to help YouTubers to grow. Yes, in the optimization, search engine optimization, so many things. Okay, so you can work with them as well. As you can see, who you are, you live and breathe YouTube and are familiar with YouTube analytics and the ecosystem. Growing your own YouTube channel is preferable. If you have a YouTube channel, you can apply, but if you don't have, you can still apply as well. You love helping others and have experience providing stellar customer support, amazing soft skills, all right, and so many more. So guys, make sure you understand the salary is this one, 36k USD per year, depending on the experience. You can either apply to this website or you can apply to LinkedIn or Indeed. Yes, the company is vidIQ.com. Go to their careers and you will find this customer support specialist. Yes, I have other jobs today. Yes, this is another company actually. So Discord, this is the name of the company. Discord, they are hiring. But guys, this is the jobs for those who are in the United States. Yes, if you are in the United States, you have working permit. You can see data science and the analysts. Yes, you can see this is the job, senior data analyst, senior data scientist, machine learning. Yes, data platform engineering. Yes, data engineering manager. All right, accounting, if you are in the US, director and technical accounting, financial reporting, you can apply to this one, and they work national-wise. All right. Yes, going on to another company which is hiring people from United States. Okay, so this is data entry, and you can work with them full-time remote. And if you click here, you will see all the job description. This is Action. You can work with them and perform these data services. The good thing of this, you can work with them part-time. Even if you have another job, you can still work with them. Okay, this is the opportunity that I had for today, guys. As you can see, we have so many jobs around the globe. You can apply. We have like 4 websites, 4 companies which are hiring. International global opportunity. Yes, we have seen this Chronicle. Go to their website and find this customer service manager. Yes, go to this AM to find this position about content writer. Go to this Sure Swipe Capital. They are hiring globally as well. Yes, and you can go to this vidIQ and become customer support specialist. Yes, guys, this is the job that I had for today. Yes, remember to like, share with your friends. You can see you can work from anywhere and with your flexible hours. Even if you have a job, you can still apply. So share with your friends who have a job or those who are looking for new opportunities. Yes, sharing is love. I hope to see you soon. Thank you for taking time to listen to me. See you in the next time. Bye bye.